Good morning, friends. See, every day I'm bringing a very good quality and solid fundamental company for your service. Here I'm also bringing one of the solid fundamental company and micro cap company, but the future will be very bright for this company. The company name is Ahmedabad Steel Craft, pioneering export and supply of mild steel window, door, ventilator section used in making a fabricated frames of window, door and ventilator. Company's product, quality control, gallery in contact. You can just click on the product. Okay, so might be the site is under construction. So let's see more about the price and movement. So you can see the company's price was 30 rupees, 30 rupees in 2018. After that, the company price was falling down. 1st July, the company price was 9 rupees. After that, company is making solid return and consolidated at 17-18 rupees since long time. But let's check. If you see the fundamental, you will be surprised. Delivery, company's delivery, 80%, 90%. People buying and holding. What a company, yaar. Check corporate, a company paying a consistent dividend paying company. Technical, check the technical with your technical advisor. Now check fundamental companies, iron and steel, iron company, metal company. Price 17.5 rupees. Market cap just 7 crore. EPS in negative. PE not value. Industry P 8.92. Book value 61. C. Book value 61 rupees. 61.9. And the current price is just 17 rupees. Means company's price to book value is 0.28. Number of shares subscribed 0.41. Face value 10. Very good. Very solid company. Now check. You will see the company sales is going very every time down. Company sales is down. Expenditure after that companies. Now how after making this kind of sales in the lockdown, companies sales is down. Other income is also down. PAT is also down because of lockdown. Now check here the company's annual report. You will see the company's last 2 years just giving a negative return. Before that 1 crore, 80 crore, 1 crore. Very good sign. Company whenever lockdown will open, the company can give you a good return. Now you can see minus, earlier it was 4 return on equity, now minus return on equity. No problem at all. Now check here, capital employed is also was positive 4, now it is negative 2, positive 4, negative 3 for return on asset. Okay, now check the efficiency ratio here. Perfect. Book value, company maintain a basically consistent book value. Okay. Working capital is basically, you can see 118 days to 65 days to 98 days. There is some slight negative in the working capital. Now see the financial. This is the balance sheet of the company. See what a company has. Solid equity capital 4.09. Never dilute their equity management. Non-current liability is 0.34. Current liability is 0.5. Non-current asset 20.3. Very good. Wow. See, non-current liability is 0.3, but non-current asset is 20.37 crore. What is the market cap, sir? Market cap is just 7 crore, but non-current asset is 20 crore. Now check current asset. Current asset is 5 crore. Market cap is 7 crore and current asset is 5 crore. And non-current liability is 0.5. Means company is totally debt free. There is no debt on the company. You can see cash in bank 1.88 crore. Wow. What a company here. Sundry debtor 2.23, increasing. See, sundry debtor is increasing every year. Very good thing. Micro cap company but giving everything positive. Now see, sales is increasing, but expenditure and margin basically crap during this lockdown. Company is giving negative return, but no problem. This fundamental is solid. Okay, cash is also cash crunch. Wow, what are promoters? See, promoter holding intact promoter holding. In the lockdown, when people see the negative return in the quarterly, selling their stock, but who is buying? Promoter is buying. See, 65.68, 60.90. Promoter is buying their stock and increasing their particular stake in the company. Very, very good and positive sign. Promoter having full belief on the company. See the promoter name Shah Javeri. Non-public IPF. See, IPF was investor production fund is holding 2.65%. Wow. It is a future multi-bagger. No outlook, no report. The micro cap you don't see this kind of thing. Now see fundamental, no leverage. Okay, so always buy this kind of stock. Always after checking with your advisor. Thank you. Have a nice